Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to pay installment in Lazada using credit card. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Lazada application. You can see over here Lazada application has been opened. Initially you'll be led to this kind of interface. So in order to pay in installment, first of all you have to buy something. So tap on the product that you want to buy and tap on the option buy now, or you can simply add the product to the cart and tap on the cart option that you can see at the bottom. Now you'll be led to the cart interface. You'll be able to see the item that you've added to the cart. What you have to do is tap on the checkout option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to the checkout interface. Over here you'll be able to find the details about the product. Over here you'll be able to find the option for select payment method. Right next to it you'll be able to find the option for view all methods. Simply tap on it. Now you'll be able to view all the payment methods over here. Scroll down. Now over here you'll be able to find the option for installment. Simply tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Before proceeding, you have to pay attention to few things. IPP is only available for payment using credit card. Ensure that you have an active mobile number registered in your bank. Also, you need to ensure that your credit card limit is sufficient. The minimum order value is Rp 500 for 3, 6 and 12 months installment plans, which are applied to all the banks. For BCA credit card, there are options to choose 18 months and 24 months installment plans too. So after you read these informations, what you have to do is simply select the bank and tenor. So tap on the option select bank and tenor. Now you'll be able to find the banks over here. Simply tap on the bank of your choice. Now also select the tenor. You'll be able to find the option for 3 months, 6 months, 12 months. Tap on the option of your choice. Now what you have to do is enter your card number, expiry date, CVV and name on card. So tap on the field of card number, enter the card number over here. Make sure to enter the correct card number. Now enter the expiry date. First of all, enter the month. Now enter the year. Likewise, enter the CVV. Now enter the name on card. Now after you fill in all these details, what you have to do is tap on the option confirm selection that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now this will be selected as your payment method. Now you'll be able to pay on installment. So like this, you'll be able to pay on installment using credit card. So that is how you pay installment in Lazada using credit card. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.